Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name's Aisa and I'm really glad you clicked on this video. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing this winter eyeshadow makeup tutorial with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoy it. Yeah, this look was inspired by winter, you know. So I hope you guys enjoy it. If you want to see how I achieved this look, definitely stay tuned. But before we get into the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below. And of course, if you want to see more of us, we do hair videos, makeup videos, fashion videos, and lifestyle videos on this channel. So definitely stay tuned after this video and watch all of those videos afterwards. And yeah, we're gonna get into this tutorial. Okay guys, so the first thing I'm going to go ahead and do, as always, I'm gonna go ahead and prime my lids with the Covergirl Trueblend concealer, and this is in the shade Warm Honey. Yeah, Warm Honey. And yeah, I always do this just because it just makes the colors pop to me. You don't have to, but I just like doing this because also it creates like a blank canvas, so it helps my shadow like my eyelid just be like one. So you know, if you wear your eyeshadow for a long period of time, it helps with not creasing. So that's definitely a tip for you guys. Okay, so now that I'm done blending that, I'm going to go into this new palette that is dropping very soon. Actually, it's dropping on January 20th, so it might already be dropped by the time this video goes out, or it might not. But I'll be using the Kayowa Beauty eyeshadow palette, and this is the Ice Me Out palette. Guys, look at the packaging. Like, let's just talk about how cute this is. But yeah, I'm going to be using this for this winter eyeshadow look, winter inspired eyeshadow look. And speaking of winter, the first shade I'm going to go into is Winter, which is this shade right here. It's like a baby blue type of shade. And yeah, I'm just going to use this right above my crease just because it's like a lighter shade, so it's gonna help like blend everything together. Okay, so I am done with that transition shade. As you can see, this is what it looks like, and I actually really like this shade. I think it's a really good like transition shade for a lot of the looks that you can create with this palette. So next I'm going to go back, of course, in that palette, and I'm going to be using this shade here, which is a purple, this one over here, and this one is called Mystic. And I'm just going to put that mostly on the outer eye and right basically in my crease, so right under that shade. Now these shades are really pigmented, guys, so you do have to like go with a little bit at a time because you really don't need that much. Like, they're so pigmented and a little goes a long way, so you just go little by little and then you can like build it up. It's easier, and there is a bit of fallout, but that's not something that like annoys me, so keep that in mind. You know, if that's something that, but it's really not that bad. Like, the fallout isn't that severe, you know. So my hair started curling up, but we move. That's what happens when you're natural. So basically, next, now that I'm done with that purple shade, I'm going to go into this shade right here, this gray one, and it is called Cold AF, and I'm just going to focus that mostly on the inner like part of the lid, if that makes sense, like the middle part of the lid. So that's where I'm going to focus it, and you'll see why later. That shade is like a silvery glitter, so you know, be careful. Of course it's going to be fallout, but I really like it. And I purposely didn't like cut my crease because I wanted you guys to see the pigment. So as you can see, it's very, very pigmented, like without any concealer or anything. Okay, so I think that's it for now. Next, I'm going to go into this shade right here, and it's called Icy, and I'm going to put that mostly on the inner part of my eye. So this is basically like what the eye look looks like, and as you can see, like that white shade is very, very pigmented, as well as the other ones. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and fix a bit of like the outer parts of my eye, and that will be it basically. The good thing about this palette though, guys, like when eyeshadow falls out on your face, it's very easy to like take off. Like I just literally took a brush and it didn't leave no streaks or anything, so that's the good thing that I like. So next we're gonna move on to the lashes, and for the lashes I'll be still using Kayowa Beauty. These are in the style Everyday, and yeah, I'm just gonna pop these on. So guys, my lashes are now on. I'm gonna go in with this Kayowa Beauty lip gloss, and this is in the shade Goddess. I'm just going to put some on my lips because I feel like it goes with the theme, and this is like a sparkly, you know, gloss. So it has little sparkles in it, and it smells like berries, so it smells really, really nice. And I already lined my lips with brown lip liner. And yeah, this has little sparkles, so I feel like it finishes the look perfectly. And yeah, that's pretty much it. So guys, this is the finished look. This is what my eyes look like. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. It was very quick, very simple winter eyeshadow tutorial. So I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, definitely comment down below and definitely give this video a like. And if there's any other makeup look that you guys would like to see, definitely leave them down below in the comment section, and we'd be glad to bring that to you guys. But yeah, thank you so much for watching this video, and don't forget to share it with anyone you think it might help, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!